Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You, and today I am sharing with you another home decor box. Not new to the channel. It is an every other month box. It comes to us from Idaho, and it is the My Sweet Tea box. It is $79 plus shipping and handling and tax, and it is going to include favorite items that the curator loves. So let's see what we got in this box. So don't want to show you the box because you would then see some of the items. You know, we never want to give away the surprise. So on the top, see here, this is a thank you card that she's included. Then we have hello friend. Oh, also, another box is getting ready to come out. Okay. The box that I'm going to show you this time has already passed. I have something weird going on with my account, and my boxes don't always ship when they're supposed to. But that's been fixed now. So this box was the prior box. We're going to be getting another one really here soon here. So the card. Hello friends, summer is here and it's the perfect time to soak up the sun by any water you can find. Whether it's lounging at your neighborhood pool, splashing around in the Boise River, enjoying a serene mountain lake, or playing in the sprinklers in your own backyard. There are so many ways to beat the heat. This box contains all the items you'll need to prepare for the best summer day. Well, I guess summer's coming. Well, no, I was getting ready to say, you know, summer's kind of come into a close, but I mean, let's be honest, it's really not. It's just the middle of August. We got to get through all of September, and you might think, well, September's fall, but it's so stinking hot, right? So, yeah, there you have it. So not going to look at the back of the card because it will give away some of the items in here, and we don't want to do that. So let me get all the, you know, the favorite crinklies out of the way so I can show you what the first item is. There's lots of crinklies, but that's okay because that just means protection. Okay, it looks like okay, I'm not 100. Okay, it's gotta be a towel, a beach towel, right? I would think, and where I'm struggling, it's the type of material. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, there it is. We're going to have to look. I mean, it's definitely got to be a beach towel, right? But it's a different type of material. It's not like Turkish. And it's not wide enough to be like a table covering, I don't think. I'm at a loss here. We're going to have to wait and see. I mean, the shape of it definitely seems like beach towelish, but the material doesn't. So maybe it is meant to be a tablecloth that's not, you know, it's more long than wide. We're going to have to wait and see because I don't want to look at the card just yet. All right, next we got Player's Choice waterproof playing cards that are blue, so that they are waterproof, washable, flexible, and easy to shuffle. Okay, next we have, all right, so this is from Bumpkins, and I'm assuming you can put your wet bathing suit in this once it is done, you know, once you take it off, which would have came in extremely handy when we were in Iceland and was going to all of the, you know, the hot springs and everything. Because, you know, I pack a lot, like a lot. And I always try to think of those oddities that you need, but I completely forgot about things like this to put the bathing suits in. Yeah, this would have came in extremely, this would have came in extremely handy then. All right, right, next item. Okay, I love this type of pattern. I have gotten a purse before in it, and I love the pattern. And it is a sunglass case. I love it because one, I love the pattern, and two, my sunglass cases right now are the hard ones. And you know, trying to shove them in like my smaller travel purses aren't, you know, great. And I love how it's got the, whoops, how it got the nice closure. So I love that. All right, keep digging. And then we have, so definitely not decor this month. I guess the box must be a lifestyle as well. And then we have a bag. There you go. Then we have a bag. Here's the inside. It has a zipper. There is a zipper. And the front does have a pocket. Right there. Oh, right there. There's no tag on the bag to tell us like the brand or anything. Let's read the card. Hey everyone, so I wanted to jump on here real quick before you continue watching the video. There is an item that you are going to see where I mentioned that there not being a tag on it, and that I like to know, you know, I can say the brands of the products that I get. There is a tag on it, okay? So the brand is TBF, okay? So I just want to jump on here and share this because I always want to give fair reviews and give you all the information. So there is a tag. Okay, continue watching. Bye, guys. And make me sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, so what does the card say? Okay, so it is a towel. So it says, grab your quick drying towel for a day by the water. This blue Turkish swim towel is hand woven from 100% cotton, featuring a soft absorbent diamond weave that gets softer with every wash. Maybe that's what it is, because this, let me get it back up again. It's very stiff. Like it's very stiff, because that is also why I'm like, is it a tablecloth? So it's definitely not a soft Turkish towel. Yeah, I'm going to have to wash it a bunch because I am one of those people that beach towels is something that I really overpack when I go on vacation. Even when we go to places and resorts that they give you beach towels, because I always love having a dry beach towel to cozy up to, whether we're going back to the room, in the car, wherever. I love a dry, and I love a big, soft, cozy one. So that's why I'm not a huge fan of Turkish towels, just because they're not like cozy. Now my husband, he doesn't mind them. And another thing with, you know, these you can put on like you're like on the chair you're laying on, but then they don't dry very fast. So these serve a time and a place. Like if you're doing a camper van and you need a material that dries really fast, so you could just hang it up in the van while you're driving to your next destination and they dry real fast. But this is rough. I mean, it's not abrasive, but it's not the softest. So yeah, you definitely probably need to wash it a bunch to get it soft. All right, next we have the cute wet bag with palm trees. It's waterproof and features a zipper to keep everything secure. And yes, you can use it to bring your wet swimsuits home in. Then we have the playing cards that you can use them out by the pool, at the beach. You don't have to worry about them getting wet. Then this is my favorite. It is the woven eyeglass pouch. It's waterproof. Love that. So you don't have to worry if water gets on it. And then we have the canvas tote bag. Classic design with navy trim. Zippered pocket keeps your phone and wallet safe. And comfy wide straps to make carrying a breeze. So that is our box. I hate to say this month, this bi-month, I guess is a good way to say it. It's definitely not one of my favorite boxes. I prefer home decor when I think of the My Sweet Tea box. I'm looking for home decor. I'm not really looking for lifestyle. Yeah. And I really like these two items a lot. I really like those. The cards completely fit with the theme. 100% fit with the theme. I don't need another bag. We get a lot of bags in these boxes. A lot of bags in these boxes. Yeah, I think we're definitely past the bag stage. And if I am going to get a bag in a box, I really want to know the brand of it. And then the Turkish towel, it's very stiff. Like you can see it's kind of standing up here on its own. It's very stiff, but like she mentioned that it will soften as you wash it. So that's a good thing. So, value. What did I say? $79.95, I think. Considering you paid shipping for the box, even though I paid shipping for the box, I think the shipping was $9.95 maybe, unless she's got a really good deal with a shipping company, and maybe she has. Because I ship sometimes and I get good deals, not all the time. But to me, I don't think it's worth the value for me this time. But again, like I always say, not everybody is going to like every box. That's just not how it works. It's still one of my favorite subscriptions. So that's a positive. And I can't wait until I see what I have coming next. And I think I should be getting it within the next couple of weeks. So super excited about that. So, all right, there you have it. So thank you for tuning in. I actually cleaned my office yesterday. Yeah, made room for a chair. I cleaned it. I'm so proud of myself. But okay, I keep it's at that whole thing like squirrel. I keep diverting. But all right, let me just close and get off here. All right, you guys take care. Bye, everyone.